If you're seeing the sorry, there was a problem with your request error in Instagram and you're using an iPhone, then don't worry. We've got you covered. Today I'll guide you some steps to resolve this issue and get back to your Instagram feed. So let's get started. First things first, you need to do is let's start a simple fix. Restarting the Instagram app. Sometimes closing and reopening the app can resolve temporary glitches. Swipe off from the bottom and go ahead and reopen the app. If restarting the app doesn't work, the next step is to simply uninstall the Instagram app and simply install it again. To do this, simply hold the Instagram button, tap on the minus button, and simply tap on delete app. And go to App Store and simply download it again. Next thing you can do is check your internet connection. Make sure the Wi-Fi or cellular data, whichever you're using, is strong and stable. If your internet connection is fine, try logging out and then logging back into Instagram account. To do this, you need to open Instagram app. Go to your profile, simply tap on log out and simply log back in again. And last but not least, you need to check whether there's any update available of your Instagram app. Simply open App Store and go to Instagram, and if there's an update available, simply tap on it. And that's all there is to it. If none of this solution work, the issue might be on Instagram's app, and so you can check Instagram's if Instagram is experiencing outages by visiting Down Detector or check Instagram's official account for any service update.